This is certainly a curious case, and one which could, depending on how it progresses, result in Prince Harry being kicked out of America. It all centres around what the Duke of Sussex wrote on his US visa form when he applied for the visa allowing him to move here to America in March 2020. In his Netflix series and his book Spare, the Prince admitted to having used cocaine, marijuana and magic mushrooms. Under US law, admission of or evidence of past drug use can be grounds to reject a visa. There are two key questions on a US visa form. First, have you ever been a drug abuser or addict? And second, have you ever violated any law related to controlled substances? So the question at the heart of this court case is, what answers did Harry give? Now, why is it in court at all? Well, because the Prince finds himself being used as the perfect case study in a case trying to prove that the US Department for Homeland Security is acting improperly by granting visas to people who should not be eligible for them. The case is being brought by a conservative US-based think tank, the Heritage Foundation. It's pursuing the US government to find out if it's acting according to procedure when granting visas. Essentially, the Prince is caught up in a bigger battle between a conservative organisation and the Biden administration. As part of the evidence for the case, lawyers for the Heritage Foundation are pointing to other celebrities like Nigella Lawson, Pete Doherty, others too, who have in the past been denied visas for previous drug use. The hearing could last weeks. If the judge allows the Prince's visa application to be published, if it's in the public interest, then we will find out either if Harry lied and said he had never taken drugs or admitted taking them and that the US government allowed him in anyway. Either way, it will call his presence here into question.